so excited for these new colors dropping today. Countdown, people. 2 hours. I'm excited, and I stocked a lot this time, so hopefully there's enough for everybody. Alright, I'm making a smoothie this morning. This is all I have right now, so I'm working with it. I'm not a smoothie master, but let's see how it tastes. Alright, we got spinach, kale, pineapple, frozen blueberries, strawberries, and a little bit of orange juice, all organic, if you know me. Not bad, people. Not bad. Jeffrey.